112624 Whirlpool and the bottom. So looks like this is how things are wired in here. You got your red tube going to a water supply, and I'm assuming that's a hot water supply, maybe. Not sure actually. It just looks like it's just a water supply. I don't know if that's hot or cold. So let's just assume that's a cold water supply. The next thing you got is just electricity, a really thick wire, by the way, super thick. Then you got your drain tube that's coming into this area right here. From the drain tube, there's like an air vent on the top, and then there's like a Y that goes into the trash compactor. So somehow when it drains, the pump is in maybe either this pump or this pump, one of these pumps. Water will be pushed out of this pipe, and then that pipe goes over here, then it goes up. From up, it goes to the trash disposal. And then from there, then the dirty water goes into the garbage disposal, gets ground up, and then goes out the regular pipe, P-trap, and then out. And then looks like this is the air vent made for a dishwasher. So that's how you install a dishwasher. And then basically you just need a hole that matches that, and then an opening. It looks like it probably comes with its own installation. And then you need to have wood across here, and you need those two screws that just screw right from bottom up, hit into the wood, and that's how it stays. And that's about it. So here we go on the pump. Hopefully we'll find something dirty.
How are you going to take the pump off?
How are we going to take the pump off? This is where our YouTube video comes into play. You got me, Dad?
What's that?
You got the machine?
Yes.
Cool. So, I'm going to hold here. I'm going to turn counterclockwise. Okay, so I see a tab right here. Supposedly, if I push this tab down, then this thing is free to turn the other way. So that's that. Here we go. I don't know if I'm strong enough to do this, but we'll see. One hand has to hold, and the other hand has to turn.
I got everything.
So let's put a pocket screwdriver in there and see if I can turn. Okay, there's a pocket screwdriver. Putting it in here. There must be another tab. Oh, back here.
Wow,
It's either out or in. All right. So the tab is way here with my finger back here. So I only have an option either pushing in or pulling out. So that's the two things I'm going to try. I guess we'll try the easier one first for my fingers.
You hold the telephone?
No. It's going to be difficult for you to hold. So looking like pushing in or out. So let me pull out. Pulling out, turning. Nope. Pushing in and turning.
Nope, I'm done.
Nope.
Turning down.
So if I turn that way, that's counterclockwise, but I'm going to hit into this thing. And so there's some electrical wires here.
집에 가서 어디 가요?
Is there to give it all or not?
Okay, we got it. So we pulled it one finger I'm pulling this out towards me, and my other finger, my fingernails, is pushing this in. And at the end of the day, it has to turn counterclockwise. So water is about to drip